Hello everyone and welcome to Digital Dynamo Lab. Today we are going to test your knowledge with 30 exciting AI quiz questions. Choose the correct answer and see how much you know about artificial intelligence. Let's begin. Question number 1. What does AI stand for? Option A. Automated information. Option B. Artificial intelligence. Option C. Advanced Internet. Option D. Automated intelligence. The correct answer is option B. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the field of computer science focused on creating systems that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, problem solving, and understanding language. Question number 2. What is machine learning? Option A. A method of manually programming every computer decision. Option B. A type of computer hardware. Option C. A method that allows computers to learn from data. Option D. A computer repair technique. The correct answer is option C. A method that allows computers to learn from data. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn patterns from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed for every task. Question number 3. What is deep learning? Option A. Learning computer hardware deeply. Option B. A type of machine learning using artificial neural networks. Option C. Learning how to use the internet. Option D. A method of storing data. The correct answer is option B. A type of machine learning using artificial neural networks. Deep learning uses multiple layers of artificial neural networks to learn complex patterns from large amounts of data. Question number 4. Which of the following is an example of generative AI? Option A. A calculator. Option B. A basic keyboard. Option C. A system that creates text, images or music. Option D. A computer mouse. The correct answer is option C. A system that creates text, images or music. Generative AI can create new content including text, images, audio, video and computer code. Question number 5. What is ChatGPT? Option A. A computer operating system. Option B. An AI-based conversational language model. Option C. A search engine only. Option D. A programming keyboard. The correct answer is option B. An AI-based conversational language model. ChatGPT is an AI system designed to understand and generate human-like text and interact with users through conversation. Question number 6. What does NLP stand for in artificial intelligence? Option A. Natural language processing. Option B. Network learning program. Option C. New language programming. Option D. Natural logic process. The correct answer is option A. Natural language processing. Natural language processing or NLP allows computers to understand, process and generate human language. Question number 7. What is computer vision? Option A. A technology that helps computers understand images and videos. Option B. A computer screen. Option C. A type of monitor. Option D. A method of repairing cameras. The correct answer is option A. A technology that helps computers understand images and videos. Computer vision enables machines to analyze and understand visual information from images and videos. Question number 8. What is a neural network inspired by? Option A. The human brain. Option B, a computer keyboard. Option C, a hard disk. Option D, a printer. The correct answer is option A, human brain. Artificial neural networks are inspired by the way biological neurons in the human brain process and transmit information. Question number 9. What is training data? Option A, data used to teach a machine learning model. Option B, data stored only a USB drive. Option C, a type of computer virus. Option D, data that has been deleted. The correct answer is option A, data used to teach a machine learning model. Training data helps an AI model learn patterns, relationships, and useful information so it can make predictions or perform tasks. Question number 10. What is a machine language model? Option A, a physical computer. Option B, a learned system that identifies patterns in data. Option C, a computer monitor. Option D, a storage device. The correct answer is option B, a learned system that identifies patterns in data. A machine learning model learns from data and uses what it has learned to make predictions, classification, or decisions. Question number 11. Which type of machine learning uses labeled data? Option A, supervised learning. Option B, unsupervised learning. Option C, random learning. Option D, manual learning. The correct answer is option A, supervised learning. In supervised learning, the model learns from data that includes both inputs and non-correct answers, called labels. Question number 12. Which type of machine learning finds patterns in unlabeled data? Option A, supervised learning. Option B, unsupervised learning. Option C, reinforcement learning. Option D, manual learning. The correct answer is option B, unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning analyzes unlabeled data and tries to discover hidden patterns, groups, or relationships. Question number 13. What is reinforcement learning? Option A, learning through rewards and penalties. Option B, learning only from books. Option C, learning by deleting data. Option D, learning through computer hardware. The correct answer is option A, learning through rewards and penalties. In reinforcement learning, an AI agent learns by interacting with an environment and receiving rewards or penalties based on its actions. Question number 14. What is a chatbot? Option A, a program that can communicate with users. Option B, a computer virus. Option C, a type of computer memory. Option D, a graphics card. The correct answer is option A, a program that can communicate with users. Chatbots use predefined rules or artificial intelligence to communicate with people through text or voice. Question number 15. What is a prompt in generative AI? Option A, an instruction or input given to an AI system. Option B, a computer processor. Option C, a type of data cable. Option D, an operating system. The correct answer is option A, an instruction or input given to an AI system. A prompt tells an AI system what you want it to do, such as answering a question, creating an image, or writing text. Question number 16. What is a large language model? Option A, an AI model trained to understand and generate human language. Option B, a large computer monitor. Option C, a type of internet connection. Option D, a programming keyboard. The correct answer is option A. An AI model trained to understand and generate human language. Large language models or LLMs are trained on large amounts of text and can perform tasks such as answering questions, summarizing, translating, and generating content. Question number 17. What is an AI hallucination? Option A. When an AI generates false or inaccurate information. Option B. When an AI stops working permanently. Option C. When a computer screen becomes blurry. Option D. When AI creates a backup. The correct answer is option A. When an AI generates false or inaccurate information. Question number 18. What is a dataset? Option A. A collection of data. Option B. A computer keyboard. Option C. A type of software virus. Option D. A computer screen. The correct answer is option A. A collection of data. A dataset is a collection of information used for analysis, research, or training artificial intelligence and machine learning models. What is an algorithm? Option A. A step-by-step set of instructions for solving a problem. Option B. A type of computer monitor. Option C. A storage device. Option D. A computer virus. The correct answer is option A. A step-by-step set of instructions for solving a problem. Algorithms provide instructions that computers follow to complete tasks or solve problems. Question number 20. Which technology is commonly used for image recognition? Option A. Computer vision. Option B. Word processing. Option C. Email. Option D. File compression. The correct answer is option A. Computer vision. Computer vision allows AI systems to analyze images and identify objects, faces, text, and other visual elements. Question number 22. What is facial recognition? Option A. Technology that identifies or verifies people using facial features. Option B. A photo editing tool only. Option C. A computer password. Option D. A type of keyboard. The correct answer is option A. Technology that identifies or verifies people using facial features. Question number 22. What is speech recognition? Option A. Converting spoken language into text or commands. Option B. Creating computer graphics. Option C. Storing images. Option D. Compressing files. The correct answer is option A. Converting spoken language into text or commands. Question number 23. What is AI ethics? Option A. Principles for developing and using AI responsibly. Option B. A programming language. Option C. A computer game. Option D. A type of AI hardware. The correct answer is option A. Principles for developing and using AI responsibly. AI ethics focused on issues such as fairness, privacy, transparency, safety, accountability, and responsible use of artificial intelligence. Question 24. What is bias in AI? Option A. Unfair or inaccurate results caused by problems in data or system design. Option B. A type of computer memory. Option C. A method of increasing internet speed. Option D. A type of AI hardware. The correct answer is option A. Unfair or inaccurate results caused by problems in data or system design. Question number 25. What is generative AI mainly designed to do? Option A. Create new content. Option B. Repair computer hardware. Option C. Increase internet speed. Option D. Replace computer memory. The correct answer is option A. Create new content. Generative AI can create new text, images, videos, audio, music, and computer code based on user instructions. Question number 26. What is an AI assistant? Option A. An AI system that helps users complete tasks. Option B. A computer mouse. Option C. A storage device. Option D. A type of computer cable. The correct answer is option A. An AI system that helps users complete tasks. AI assistants can help users answer questions, organize information, write content, analyze data, and perform many other tasks. Question number 27. What is an autonomous vehicle? Option A. A vehicle that can perform some driving tasks using technology and AI. Option B. A vehicle without an engine. Option C. A vehicle controlled only by a remote. Option D. A vehicle used only for transportation of computers. The correct answer is option A. A vehicle that can perform some driving tasks using technology and AI. Question number 28. What is the Turing test designed to evaluate? Option A. Whether a machine can demonstrate human-like conversation or behavior. Option B. The speed of computer processor. Option C. The storage capacity of a hard disk. Option D. The quality of a computer screen. The correct answer is option A. Whether a machine can demonstrate human-like conversation or behavior. Question number 29. What is the main advantages of AI? Option A. It can help automate tasks and analyze large amounts of data. Option B. It eliminates the need for all human decisions. Option C. It never makes mistakes. Option D. It does not require any data. The correct answer is option A. It can help automate tasks and analyze large amounts of data. AI can help people automate repetitive tasks, identify patterns, process information, and support decision making. Question number 30. Which statement about artificial intelligence is correct? Option A. AI can be useful in many fields, but it should be used responsibly. Option B. AI is only used in video games. Option C. AI can never make mistakes. Option D. AI does not use data. The correct answer is option A. AI can be useful in many fields, but it should be used responsibly. Artificial intelligence is used in healthcare, education, business, transportation, entertainment, science, and many other areas. However, it is important to use AI carefully, responsibly, and ethically. That's the end of today's AI quiz challenge. How many questions did you answer correctly? Share your score in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Digital Dynamo Lab, and turn on notifications for more technology and educational quizzes. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.